Hello, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. So, I'm back, kids, and we are here for what? We are here to learn maths with me. So, everyone is excited? Very good. So, what we have to do? We have to quickly take out our books. And today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4. So, everyone, quickly take out your books. So, we are going to start our chapter number 4 in today's class, students. The name is Number Train, numbers 10 to 20. In this chapter, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the number train from 11 to 20. So everyone is excited? Very good. So shall we start? So let's start with a very interesting story. आप सबने ट्रेन तो देखी होगी तो आइए I will show you one very interesting train, a number train. Now we have different carriages. And our first carriage says what? What sound he is making? Tadak tadak. So what he is saying? Oh, tadak tadak. I am coming. Tan carriage will join. Then what the next carriage says? The next carriage is our next carriage is 11. So the 11 carriage says which makes 11 carriage makes which sound? Badak badak. So what it say? Badak badak. I'm also coming to join. So 11 carriage will come. Then what will happen? The 12 carriage will come. And what he is saying? Tudum tudum. What sound he is making? Tudum tudum. I'm coming to join. So the 12th carriage will also join. After 12, students, which number is coming? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Number 13. So what will happen? Number 13 carriage will come. And what sound he is making? Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Then after this, 13 carriage will also join. Then after 13, which number is coming? 14. Very nice. So 14 carriage will also join with making a very funny sound. After that, which number is coming? 15. So after 14, the 15 carriage will make a sound. And what he said? Tadak, 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 tadak. Come and join after 14. And after 15, which carriage will join? Yes, number 16 carriage will join. And what sound he is making? Budak, 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 budak sound makes and it will also join the train. After that, the 17 carriage will come. And what sound he is making? Tudum, 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 tudum. So all the carriages are making very funny noises and they will join one after another just like a number train. So after 17, which carriage will join? Number 18 carriage will join. And what sound he is making? Cuckoo, cuckoo, just like a train. जब ट्रेन आती है तो साउंड बजाती है ना, everyone is able to hear. क्या साउंड बजाती है? Cuckoo, cuckoo. So we can say that yes, 18 carriage will also make a interesting sound. And after 18, which carriages join? Number 19 carriages join. And after 19, the 20 carriage will join. So they form a what kind of train? They are forming a number train. Just like first the 10 carriage join, after that 11, then 12, then 13, then number 14, then number 15, then number 16, then number 17, then 18, then 19 number carriage, and last the 20 number carriage is joined. So they form a number train. Everyone is understanding? Now we are going to understand how the number 10 is forming. Okay? So as you can see, whenever we have a number 10 or a two-digit number, students, just like 10, 1 and 0, we can write number 10 like this, 1 and 0. So we can say that this is our number 1 and this is 0. And 1 and 0 makes our number 10. So you have to keep this thing in your mind that the number which comes first, it is called as ones. And the number which comes second, it is called as tens. So the number जो फर्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू पर आता है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स वंस एंड द नंबर विच कम्स ऑन द सेकंड प्लेस वैल्यू जो सेकंड नंबर पे आता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ टेंस नंबर लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल this is our number 1 and how many numbers we have this is our number 1 so this is our only one number so we can say that this is our ones place value this is ones only and how many blocks we are having here this is our one block this is second third fourth fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10. So how many blocks we have students over here? We have total 10 blocks. And how we can write a 10 block? Just like this. So this is our ones and this is our 10 students. Everyone is understanding? Just like this, we are able to write 10 blocks and the 0 is called as ones and the 1 is called as because it is written on the second place value. ये कहाँ पर लिखा है हमने? Second number पे लिखा है. जो number हम first number पे लिखेंगे that is 0 इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? We are called as ones. And the number which we are writing just after 0 that is called as tens. So we can say that how many zeros I have? I have 0 ones. Okay. And how many tens I have? I have 110. So everyone is understanding how we can form a number 10. Very good. Now we are going to understand how we can write the further numbers like 11, 12, 13. Let's start with the 11th one. So this is also one more example of number 10. In this example, what we have? We have how many sticks? We have, let's start counting. This is our one stick, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many sticks we have? We have 10 sticks. So we can say that yes, we can say this is our 10 ones or 10 ones makes how many 10? It makes 110. And Similarly, if I making write it like this, how many sticks I have? 10 sticks. So this is our ones, zero ones, and this is our 110. So everyone is understanding? The first number is our ones and the second number is our tens. Now let's start with the next number 11. Now as you can see, for making a 11 number, what we have to do? We have to make 110 with 1 1. Then what it makes? It makes a 11. So everyone say the spelling of 11 with me. It should be ELEVEN. Repeat with me. The spelling of 11 is ELEVEN. 11. It makes 11. How we are able to make 11? When we have 1 at the tens and 1 at the ones. It makes us 11. Now moving to the next number. When we have 1 at the 10 and 2 at the ones, it makes it what? It makes a 12 number. What I said? If I'm having 1 at tens and 2 at ones, it makes a 12. And what is the spelling of 12s? Say with me. T-W-E, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now moving to our next number. After 12 students, which number is coming? Yes, number 13. So if I wanted to make number 13, then what should I do? I have to make 110 and 3 ones. It makes a 13. 1, 3, 13. Let's see it once again. It should be 1 at tens, 1 at tens and 3 at ones. It makes a 13. And what is the spelling of 13? Say with me. T-H-I, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. What I said, students? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Everyone is understanding how we can make the number 11, the number 12 and the number 13. Now we are going to understand how we can make the next numbers. Now we are going to start with number 14. How we can make number 14? When we have 1 tens and how many ones, students? 4 ones. We have 4 pencils. So we have to make 4 ones. So which number makes? The number 14 is made. What I said, students? We have to make 1 tens and 4 ones. It will make number 14. And what is the spelling of number 14? It is F-O-U-R. First, what you have to do? You have to write the spelling of 4. Everyone knows we have done the spelling of 4 in our previous chapter number 3. Very good. So the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. And we have to make it 14. So what we have to do? We have to add T-E-E-N. 14. So it will become a 14. If I am adding the spelling of 4 along with the spelling of teen, it will become 14. Say with me, FOURTEEN, 14. Very good, students. Now we are going to move the next number. For number 15, what we have to do, students? We have to make one 10 and 5 ones. It will become a number 15. What I said? 1 tens and 5 ones. It will become a number 15. And the spelling of number 15 is F-I-F, F-I-F, T-E-E-N, 15. Everyone is understanding? Very good. Now we are going to understand how we can make number 16. For making number 16, what we have to do, kids? We have to add 1 10 and 6 ones. It will make a number 16. What I said? If I'm making 1 tens and 6 ones, it will become a 16. And what is the spelling of 16? Just say with me. It is S-I-X. I am repeating. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Now moving to our next number. Our next number is number 17. For making a number 17, what we have to do? We have to add 1 10 along with the 7 ones. It will make a number 17. Just like here. If I'm adding 1 10 and 7 ones, what it makes? It makes a number 17. In the spelling of 17 is, say with me, it is S-E-V-E-N, 7, and you have to add the spelling of teen. T-E-E-N, teen, 17. So repeat with me. It is S-E-V-E-N, T-E-E-N, 17. Very good, students. Now we are going to understand our next number. Our next number is number 18. How we can make a number 18? We have to add 1 10 and 8 ones. It will make a number 18. What I said? We have to add 1 10 along with 8 ones. What it becomes? It becomes a number 18. And the spelling of number 18 is, first we have to write the spelling of 8. That is E-I-G-H-T. 8. Then we have to add the spelling of teen. So it will become 18. Just repeat with me. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Very good, students. Now we are going to learn our next number. Who is going to tell me what is our next number? Yes, our next number is number 19. For making number 19, what we have to do? We have to make 1 10 along with 9 ones, and it makes a number 19. What I said? 1 10 and how many ones, students? 9 ones. It will make a number 19. And the spelling of 19 is NINETEEN 19. What you have to do? First, you have to write the spelling of 9 and add the spelling of teen. It will become a 19. Very good. Now we are going to move a next number. Our next number is number 20. How we can make number 20? For number 20, what we have to do? We have to add 110 and 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. And 10 ones becomes 110. So we can say that we have to add two tens. So 210 and 01 will become number 20. Now say the spelling with me. It is TWE. Just repeat with me, students. TWE and TY. Number 20. Everyone is understanding how we can make the number from 11 to 20? Very good, students. Now we are going to understand the concept of before, after and between. As you can see in the picture, they are celebrating the birthday. And birthday boy is this. He is having a very yummy cake. And the other boy is telling what? Oh, my birthday is also on the same date. But he is 7 years old and I am 13 years old. What they were saying, दोनों का बर्थडे सेम डे को ही आ रहा है. बट एक क्या है 7 years का है और दूसरा क्या है 13 years का है. Then can you tell me how many numbers are lie between 7 and 13? Let's start counting, students. Our first number is number 8, which comes after 7. Our next number is number 9. Next number is number 10. Next is number 11. Next is number 12. So how many numbers are lie between 7 and 13? कितने नंबर 7 और 13 के बीच में आ गए? How many numbers? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 5 numbers. So we can say that in between 7 and 13, how many numbers we have? We have number 8, we have number 9, we have number 10, we have number 11 and number 12. Total how many numbers we have? We have 5 numbers. Now, what is the concept of before? Just a second, students. The concept of before. What is the concept of before? Whenever a number comes before or comes on the left side of a number, we can say that it is a before number. जब कोई number किसी number से पहले आता है, तो the number is a before number. Let's take an example. If I am having a number 15, then what is the before number of 15, students? Yes, number 15 से पहले कौन सा number आ रहा है यहाँ पे? Number 14. So we can say that yes, 14 is a before number of 15. क्या आ रहा है? ये पहले आ रहा है. और अगर कोई नंबर किसी नंबर के बाद में आता है, आफ्टर आता है, तो वो क्या कहलाता है? द नंबर कम्स आफ्टर दैट नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. If I am having a number 17, then what number comes after 17? मतलब 17 नंबर के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? वेरी गुड, नंबर 18. So this is a after. We can say that 18 comes after 17. So everyone is understanding how we can find out the before, after and between numbers? Very good. Now we are going to understand what is a backward counting and what is a forward counting. Let's start with forward counting, students. Okay. Whenever we are doing counting by adding the numbers, तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. अगर हम किसी नंबर में क्या करते हैं? नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज forward counting. Let's take an example. I have a number 14 with me, and what I did, I am adding one more number. So what I get? I get number 15. So this is a forward counting. 14 के बाद में क्या आ रहा है? 15. हमने क्या करा? We are simply adding 1 to 14. Okay. Then after 15, what number is coming? Number 16. And after 16, what number is coming? Number 17. After 17, the number 18. After 18, the number 19. And after 19, the number 20. So whenever we are doing counting by adding one by one, then what is called as forward counting. Okay. Now let's start the backward counting. What is a backward counting, students? जब हम किसी भी नंबर में से क्या करते हैं? नंबर माइनस करते हैं, हम उससे पहले का नंबर लिखते हैं. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? उसमें से वन नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. इफ आई एम राइटिंग नंबर 15 और नंबर 15 में से मैंने क्या करा? आई एम जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग और लेस, एक नंबर कम कर दिया. व्हाट इट कम्स? नंबर 14. तो आई गेट नंबर 14 फॉर दैट. If I'm again doing minus less from number 14, I'm just subtracting one number from number 14, then what I get, students? Yes, who is going to tell me? Number 13. Very good. So what I get? Number 13. If I'm again subtracting one number from number 12, sorry, if I'm again subtracting one number from number 13, what I get? I will get a number 12. Now again I am going to subtract one known number from number 12. I will get a number 11. And if I am again subtracting or less one more number from number 11, I will get number 10. So whenever we are doing counting by adding, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Numbers को add करके लिख रहे हैं one by one. So this is called as forward counting. But if I'm subtracting or lessing one by one numbers, हम एक एक नंबर पीछे का before लिखते जा रहे हैं, that is called as backward counting. So everyone is understanding what is forward counting and what is backward counting. Forward counting क्या है? जब हम आगे जाते जा रहे हैं numbers, और backward counting जब हम पीछे आते जा रहे हैं numbers में. Okay? Let's do the comparison of numbers. How we can compare the numbers? If I'm moving from the left hand side, this is the smaller number. And if I'm moving from the right hand side, these are the bigger numbers. So if I'm writing 15, then what I said? 15 is from left of 16. जो 15 नंबर है वो क्या है 16 के लेफ्ट में है, बिकॉज मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड ये रहा और राइट हैंड ये रहा, तो राइट हैंड पे जो नंबर्स होंगे वो क्या कहलाएंगे राइट साइड, and the numbers which are written on the left side, these are called as left side numbers. If I am writing 15, then we can say that 15 is the left. 15 क्या है 16 के left hand side पर है, so we have to say that 15 is the left of 16. And if I'm talking about 17 students, what we can say that 17 is the right of 16, क्योंकि ये कहाँ पर है राइट हैंड साइड पर है, तो एवरीवन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो नंबर्स हमारे लेफ्ट साइड पर होंगे दीज आर कॉल्ड एज लेफ्ट साइड नंबर्स, and the numbers which are from a right side, these are called as right side numbers. Okay, now can you tell me that if I'm writing number 18 over here and number 18 over here, then we can say that yes, it is a equal number, and we have to put a sign of equal in between them, just like we did in our chapter number 3. Very good, student. So what we have learned in this, that whenever we have two numbers which are equal, then we have to put two sleeping lines one after another. Okay, and this is called as our equal numbers. Now moving to our next concept. Our next concept is increasing and decreasing order. Now what is the increasing order? Increasing order is whenever we are going to write the numbers from smaller to bigger. जब हम क्या करते हैं छोटे नंबर से किस पे जाते हैं बिग नंबर पे जाते हैं, जस्ट लाइक द बॉय, व्हाट द बॉय इज डूइंग, he is going from the smaller number 1 to number 6. So this is called as our increasing order. And increasing order को हम लोग क्या और बोलते हैं ascending order. What we are going to say it ascending order. So what I told you, whenever we are going to small to a big number, then we can say that it is a increasing order or ascending order. Okay. But अगर जो boy है वो क्या कर रहा है, वो up से down आ रहा है. What he is doing? He is coming from number 5 to number 1. So this is called as decreasing order. What we can say that? This is decreasing order. And other name of decreasing order is what? Yes, descending order. तो हम इसे क्या बोल सकते हैं? We can say decreasing order as well as we can say it descending order. So whenever we are moving from a big number to a small number, just like the boy, अगर हम big number से small number पे move कर रहे हैं, then it is called as decreasing order or descending order. But agar if I am moving to a small number to a big number, then it is called as increasing order or ascending order. So everyone is understanding what is a increasing order and what is a decreasing order. Very good, students. So let's take an example of increasing order and decreasing order. In this order, let's take, we have few numbers. These are the numbers. First, read the question with me. Let us see how we can arrange the following numbers in the order. Now we have to see how we can arrange the numbers. First, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers from smaller number to the greater number. So, from these numbers, first number is number 15. Next number is number 19. Next is number 6. The next number is number 12. And our next number is number 4. So, our the smallest number is? Yes, number 4. So, first we have to write number 4. Now our next smallest number is? Yes, number 6. So what I am going to here? I am writing number 6. After that, what is the smallest number? Number 12. So we have to write number 12. After that, the smallest number is number 15. So we are going to write number 15. And the last number is number 19. So this is our increasing order. And what is the other name of increasing order, students? Very good, ascending order. So we can say that this is our increasing order and ascending order. So what you have see here, whenever we are going to write from the smaller number to the bigger number, हमने क्या करा, हमने सबसे स्मॉलर नंबर से सबसे बिग नंबर तक लिखा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर और असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जब हम क्या कर रहे थे, स्मॉलर नंबर से बिगर नंबर तक जा रहे थे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हम क्या करते हैं, बिगर नंबर से स्मॉलर नंबर पे जाते हैं. सो लेट्स सी from these numbers. Now we are going to do with the black color. From these numbers, which is our bigger number? Number 19. So first what we have to do? We have to write our first bigger number. This is number 19. Now after writing 19, which is our next bigger number, students? Number 15. So we have to write our next bigger number, number 15. After that, our next bigger number is number 12. So we have to write number 12. Now after number 12, which is our next bigger number? We have only two numbers left with us. Number 6 and number 4. So which is our next bigger number? Number 6. And the last number is number 4. So this is called as our decreasing order. In this set, what we have do? We have first write the bigger number or the greatest number to the smallest number. So this is called as our decreasing order. And students, what is the other name of decreasing order? The other name of decreasing order is descending order. So we can write also descending order. Everyone is understanding how we can write the numbers in increasing and in decreasing order? Very good, student. With this, our chapter 4 is also completed. Now, in the next class, we are going to do the exercises of chapter 4. Till then, bye, students. Take care.